Want to get more from your email marketing? Here are 3 personalization strategies that actually work. Strategy 1. Segment your audience. Group subscribers by purchase history, browsing behavior, or where they are in the customer journey. Targeted emails outperform generic ones every single time. Strategy 2. Use automation. Cart abandonment emails recover lost sales on autopilot. Birthday campaigns re-engage customers with 0 manual effort. Product recommendation emails drive repeat purchases based on what someone already bought. Strategy 3. Use dynamic content. Send one campaign that automatically adjusts, showing different products, offers, or messages to different audience segments. These 3 strategies work together to turn a basic email list into a revenue-generating machine. The best part, you don't need to be a marketing expert. The right platform handles the heavy lifting. See how Mailchimp makes email personalization simple? Visit Mailchimp.com to start your free trial.